You feel it, don't you? That nagging feeling of being stuck. It feels like you're watching your own potential slip away, day after day, while you just wait for a spark of motivation that never shows up. Well, this isn't another feel-good pep talk. This is the raw, psychological guide to finally breaking that cycle. I'm going to prove to you that one small, consistent action is the only thing powerful enough to build unstoppable momentum. Before we get into the video, be sure to check the link in the description. It's what savvy crypto investors are doing to safeguard their profits. We've all been sold a complete lie. The lie is that you need to feel motivated before you can take action. So you wait. You wait to feel inspired. You wait for the right mood to strike. But here's the hard truth. If you wait to feel like it, you'll be waiting forever. Motivation isn't the cause of action. It's the effect. Emotion follows motion. It's a totally unreliable feeling, not a switch you can just flip on command. In fact, research shows that most of our daily actions aren't driven by some big conscious decision. They're driven by habit. So how do we actually fix this? You start by completely forgetting about the mountain you have to climb. Forget the entire book you need to write, the business you want to build, or the 10 pounds you want to lose. Your only goal is to take one small step. This is where the real magic happens. Every small action you take is like a single snowflake. By itself, it's pretty insignificant. But as you add more and more, they pack together, creating a snowball. And once that snowball starts rolling downhill, it builds mass and speed all on its own. It becomes an unstoppable force. That's momentum. And it all starts with one flake. Okay, but what happens when you mess up? What if you miss a day? This is the exact moment most people give up. They break a perfect streak and think it's all over. But discipline isn't about being perfect. It's about being consistent. This isn't just about watching another video. It's about taking action, right now. Your only mission for today is to pick one small action you've been putting off and just do it. Not the whole project, just the first, tiniest step. The cycle of feeling stuck ends the exact moment you decide to stop waiting for motivation to strike. It's a myth. The force you're looking for isn't some lightning bolt of inspiration. It's the quiet, compounding power of a single, deliberate action, repeated day after day.